How to log in to Kohl's card account online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Kohl's card online. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step that you'll need to take is open up your web browser and simply search for Kohl's card account login or basically this long line. And after you hit enter, you'll find Kohl's card account. So there you can see different options. There is a Capital One website as well, and there is Kohl's website as well. You can just open any one of those, and right here you will see you can just go to Kohl's card account online from Capital One's website. So there you'll find the sign in option. Tap on the sign in option and it will take you to the sign in page of Capital One. You can use your Kohl's account's credentials here to log in. Simply type in the username and then type in your password and you're then logged in. And that's how simple it is. Now if we go back to this page here, all you have to do is just sign in into your card and you're good to go. So sign up option, if you don't find the sign up option, that's completely fine. You can just sign up from the Capital One as well. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And bye bye. Take care.